Hi, welcome to Tech Wrap channel. I'm Glory and in today's video we're going to be making some labels for some kitchen spices. We're going to use glossy white inkjet printable sticker paper. This printable sticker paper has a glossy finish. It's built to resist tearing, fading and peeling. Sticks firmly to many surfaces. As always, we have the vinyl sticker paper instructions where you can see the different styles of inkjet printable vinyl that TechWrap has and also the laminates. And over here we have the care instructions and the cutting machine instructions. And here you can see how the glossy looks. With anything else to say, let's get started. Here I am on Zilla Studio and now I'm going to add a rectangle so I can start making my kitchen labels. I will make the label 5.5 inches of long and 2.6 inches of height. Now I will add another rectangle inside of my first rectangle so I can make a border. All the details that I add to my label, I'm going to do them color black. Now let's add the text to the labels. Now that I choose the font that I want for my text, I'm going to arrange it inside of the label. And I'm also going to add another detail that is a line under the text. Now I will duplicate the label so I can make the other two. Now that we finish, we send to print. Don't forget to always choose the type of paper that you're going to use and the quality that is on max. The settings that I'm going to use for cutting my sticker paper is 27 of force, speed 5, and blade also 5. Here you can see that the ink drying is really fast and it doesn't smudge. Now let's take out our stickers from the cutting. Now let's paste our labels. We're also going to be testing the water performance of this sticker paper. And here we have all of our 3 labels ready and they look amazing. Now let's test the waterproof resistance. And as you can see, they are intact and the ink doesn't smudge or anything. So the waterproof test has been passed. And here's the final results of today's project. I can confirm that the inks dry really well and also they passed the waterproof test. Leave a comment if you like today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!